What is macro? Macro is a homework program. And you get 2 packets if you need a Spanish-speaking, if you have a Spanish-speaking parent at home, you get a Spanish packet, and you get an English packet. But you always, always bring back the English packet. The Spanish packet is for you to work at home with. And every day your mom signs. So the first thing you do, who can tell me what the first thing is? This group right here, what's the first thing? I can't hear you. That's right, you have to complete it. And when we say complete it, we mean that you work every single problem. You bring it back and forth every single day. Okay? And after you get your packet from your teacher and you complete it, number 2, tell me what you have to do with that packet. I can't hear you. That's right, the parent signs it. Your parent signs every single page, and a lot of them look like this. So, you've gotten the packet, your parent, you've completed it, your parent has signed it, and then we do step 3. Who can tell me what step 3 is over there? I can't hear you, that was pretty weak. That's right, you bring it to the teacher. And then when you bring it to the teacher, my favorite step of them all is... Everybody tell me what number 4 is. That's right, you get a prize.
You're going to be getting 2 booklets, one in English for you and one in Spanish. The English one, you're going to be working on this book every single day. And the Spanish, you give it to your parents so that they can help you. The first thing that you need to do, you need to write your name, your teacher's name, the school, and the date by which it needs to be returned. Every single page, at the top of the page, you have to write that date that you complete that work, and it has to have your parent's signature. There is about 28 pages in every single booklet, so you can work on 1 or 2 pages every single day, and you get it signed, and then when you return it to your teacher, you get, what do you get?
Now I bet your teachers taught you the macro song, so let's get together, and I'll begin it. 1, 2, 3. I love macro, yes I do. I hope you love macro too. Macro teachers need to add, subtract, divide, and multiply. I love macro, yes I do. I hope you love macro too. I do homework, then mom signs. After that I get a prize. I love macro, yes I do. I hope you love macro too. Big round of applause.
Now, after you complete your packet, and after your parent signs it, and after you bring it to your teacher, we want to keep track of who brings in all of that good math work. Each class is going to have a chart. Your names will be on the chart, and when you bring it back, your packet, all completed and signed, you'll get a sticker for each packet you bring. And we want every class to have 100% of the students bringing back their packets.
What was that percent? How many of you are going to bring it back? 100%. Thank you. Okay, let's have a quick review. Group 1. Eyes on your coach. What's step 1, group 1? Excellent. Look to your coach. Okay, group 3. What was step 3? Perfect. Group 4, the best one. Group 4, all together. What is step 4? Everybody know step 4?
I get to tell you about the prizes. So, if you do all the steps, you complete every page in your macro book, your parent signs every page, and you bring that completed booklet to your teacher, you get a prize. And here are some of them. You might get this long stick and you break it, and you know what happens. It starts glowing. You might get this punch ball. You might get a game. You might get a Halloween activity pad and a pencil. You might get dominoes, a whole set of dominoes. Playing cards, they're groovy playing cards. A kite. And my personal favorite, you can get a bouncy ball. They shine and light up. Can you get those for me? Awesome, thank you. So, how many people are going to be able to get a prize? Want a prize? All right. Also, for the children that have been helping us and the children that have been listening, sit up straight and tall. Smile. We have soccer balls for everyone.